everyone, Assalamualaikum. How are you? Alhamdulillah, I'm great. I'm Mr. Jahan from it. Today I'm going to talk about how to make a cup of tea. Tea is a very popular drink in the world. To make tea, you need a kettle and need to put enough water there. Put water according to your own. And then place the kettle on a gas stove, waiting until the water gets boiled properly. You need to put some tea in the boiling water and have to wait until it gets reddish color. When the water becomes reddish, you have to understand that your tea is ready. You can serve it then now. Before serving, you can add sugar, honey, lemon, ginger according to your preference. Make a cup of tea is not hurt at all. This all about how to make a cup of tea. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel.